Hey everybody! Well, it is Sunday and it is our last day of the No Foolin' We're Spring Cleaning Challenge. And so, how's it going? I love hearing everything and seeing everything, so I'm excited. I love where my house is at. I love where things are looking, and I'm grateful that I did this, so I hope you are too. Today, to end strong, we are going to be doing our closets and our entryways. So this is probably not my favorite. I don't think any of it's my favorite, but the closets, you know, it's so easy because you can just put stuff in there and then you can just close the door and you don't see it. And so it's easy to pretend it's not there and to forget about it, but you know what's waiting behind that door. So I've got one closet that I just try to avoid with everything, but I know it's there and it taunts me. It does. I don't know if you have one like that, but anyway, so that's what we're doing today. So I'm looking at my checklist right now. Make sure you have your checklist, reallifemo.com. Go to the Spring Cleaning Challenge and download your checklist. It is so helpful and it'll keep you on track. So we're gonna start here. Linen closets, sheets, towels, extra blankets are neatly stacked. Again, any specific sheets and towels and any linens that you're not gonna use that are maybe ripped and torn, some can be used as rags, some can be recycled into something else. Like if there's things in there that you're not going to use, then just get rid of it. Do something with it, but you probably don't need everything that's in there. So pull everything out, analyze, see what's going on, and then neatly stack everything back in there. Coat closet, swap spring out, swap spring jackets out for winter coats and hats. So make sure you are swapping those out and getting ready for the warm weather. So let's see here. Again, use this as an opportunity to weed out items that you no longer use. I love going through our coat closet because I know that we can get rid of several things. I've got 4 kids. They are constantly growing. And so there are a bunch of coats that I know that we can get rid of and that we can donate for people to use, you know, over the winter. There's people that can use gently used winter coats or gently used winter gear or even spring stuff right now. Anybody can use that stuff. So just get rid of the stuff that you're not using and not wearing and donate that to a local place. And then that's it, you guys. That's it. We are done with our spring cleaning challenge. So make sure you've got your products that you need. At reallifemo.com under the spring cleaning challenge, you can just click the search and look for that. I've got my favorite products all listed out. If you're looking for good quality, earth-friendly, family-friendly, no chemicals, those kind, I've got a list of products for you there. And again, make sure you download your checklist and let me see if I'm missing anything else. So anyway, thanks for joining me. This was so fun. Leave comments, leave pictures. I'd love to see it. I'd love to hear how you're feeling about this and if this is something you're gonna do again. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Update us and I'll talk to you later.